Pretty much summed up what the CO2 does. It is a really powerful ablative laser that's used for anti-aging. But on average, we estimate the downtime to be around a week, maximum 2 weeks, where we actually advise you in the first couple of days to stay home and to avoid sun exposure as much as possible. But the general rule is you just need to keep the skin clean. You need to wear sunscreen, and as well just to make sure that you heal properly in the meantime.
So tell me, are you happy with the results so far?
I'm more than happy. Yeah, I was really looking forward to the treatment and hoping that things would look better, my face would look better, and it does. And people are noticing it. So I feel more confident in myself now. Well, I think there's a lot of pressure on people more now to look the best they can, and women have always tried to do that, but they've not always had all these treatments and different creams and everything that we can use now. So I just wanted to feel better about myself, and I think this treatment's great because it is for more mature skin, whereas most of the industry, they were targeting the younger generation. And when I found out about this treatment, I thought, well, great, you know, this is something that I could do. And for the mature skin, obviously, younger people do have the treatment to prevent and look after their skin. But yeah, I feel really good, and I would recommend it to anyone who's thinking about having it done.
Hi Sis, it's so great to see you after 6 weeks. So we did your CO2 resurfacing about 6 weeks ago now. So today is just a catch up and a review to see how you got on, and then are you pleased with the results? I can see a lot of changes.
I'm really pleased. I'm amazed at how much the change is in just 6 weeks. And I know, as you told me, that the skin, it keeps working for about 3 months.
Yeah, absolutely. I'd say that normally from 4 to 6 weeks is when you first start to see results, but the results will continue to kind of manifest up to 3 months. So I'm really, really pleased. Yeah, so I remember one of your main concerns was actually the wrinkles around your eye area, and I can see from the photographs we took before afters that's actually improved a lot. I remember when you first came.
Well, my concerns are the wrinkles, obviously.
You were really concerned about these static wrinkles that you've had for many years actually. You tried a lot of different methods, but nothing seems to have done like a major job at changing anything. So obviously 6 weeks onwards, I think, would you agree that the cheeks look fuller? I think there's more volume.
Definitely.
Yeah, and I'm really, really impressed by the reduction in these static wrinkles around the eyes, which I know was your main concern.
I started to see results about 4 or 5 days later when the skin started to peel, because it does scab, which is good because you know the treatment's working. And then each morning, each night, clean skin with, I use micellar water, and it really does help to moisturise your skin as well. And it wasn't really painful. It felt quite nice actually, because if you feel your skin and it's warm and a little bit tender, to me that was great because I knew it was working. So, and I was happy that I'd had the treatment. And then after about 6-7 days, my skin was looking red, but not enough not to be able to go out without feeling self-conscious. And lots of people noticed the difference. Although I hadn't told people that I was having the treatment, they did notice the difference in my skin more or less after a week, 10 days. And now, even now, 6 weeks later, people are still saying to me how good my skin's looking.